Hi guys! I would like to show you how to make a spreadsheet and a graph in Google Docs. So when you start with your email, you go up here and go to your Google Drive. There you press on New, Google Sheets, and in this spreadsheet you will add your data. So for example, in the Biology 103 lab we measured the water uptake in dialysis tubes. So if you add, for example, bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, and so on, and you measured the time at 0 minutes, 10, and so on. Let's assume at 0 minutes we were measuring the change of the weight. So at 0 there is no change of weight, so we can add 0 to all those bags. And since in the first bag we had water and added it into a water, we don't expect of a change. And I'm just making up those data. You of course don't. Let's say we don't have a change. Here we have minus 0.1, and here we have 0.2. Bag 2 gains every 10 minutes. Let's assume that bag 4 actually lost some weight. So we go by minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And then you would like to add a graph or data. So you go to Insert, Chart. Then you can choose one of those charts. This here actually makes sense. And that's kind of it. Of course, I want you to make a really nice title. So bag 1, 2, 3, and 4 doesn't sound like a nice title, so we say the weight change rate. Okay, once you finished your table, you have to tweak it a little bit. So the rest of this we will do in Google Docs. So you go from Google Sheets to Google Docs, add a new blank document, and then you can start stating your name and which class it is, and then you go to Insert, and you want to insert a chart, and you do it from Sheets. So you go to Table 5, select the table, import it. And now you can tweak it a little bit. For example, you will add that the weight here is in grams, and here you see that bag 1, bag 2, and so on is kind of it's not really descriptive. So you will have an explanation down here. So you say table 5.2 or 5.2, which is your homework assignment, and then you add what is included in bag 1, kind of a short description of the experiment, like a super short description, and explain that you observe the change of weight after a certain amount of time. You have what you have in those bags and in what kind of solution you put them. And that's it.